Welcome to Turbo Trendz TVA, your ultimate destination for everything on four wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most refined and forward-thinking compact luxury SUVs of the year, the 2026 Lexus NX. Lexus has always been known for its quiet confidence, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched reliability, and this latest NX model takes all of that and cranks it up to a whole new level. So get ready, because by the end of this review, you'll know exactly why this SUV is turning so many heads. Exterior starting at the front, the 2026 NX greets you with an evolved version of Lexus's signature spindle grille, now more aerodynamic and elegant. The intricate mesh design looks like it was crafted by precision machinery, flowing smoothly into the slimmer LED headlights. These lights use the latest blade scan adaptive technology, providing exceptional visibility while adding a futuristic glow to the vehicle's face. The daytime running lights create a continuous light signature that's instantly recognizable, and the sculpted front bumper integrates functional air vents that improve cooling and reduce drag. It's a front end that blends aggression and luxury perfectly, giving the NX a confident and commanding road presence. Move to the side, and the NX's proportions are balanced and dynamic. It's slightly longer and wider than before, adding road presence without losing that nimble urban practicality. The character lines along the doors are sharp yet fluid, giving the body a sense of motion even while parked. Depending on the trim level, the NX can ride on 18, 19, or 20-inch alloy wheels, each with unique designs that add flair to its profile. The power folding mirrors now feature integrated blind spot cameras that feed into a 360-degree digital view system, ensuring safety and convenience. The chrome trim around the windows and the slightly sloped roofline with the floating rear pillar design give the SUV a sporty yet elegant vibe. Every angle feels purposeful, and every detail feels engineered for beauty and aerodynamics. At the back, the 2026 NX keeps things sleek and modern. The rear design embraces simplicity and sophistication, with the full-width LED light bar that stretches across the tailgate. The new Lexus lettering replaces the traditional badge, offering a more premium and minimal look. The taillights use advanced layered LED technology, giving them a deep, 3D visual effect at night. A redesigned rear bumper adds aerodynamic efficiency, and depending on the trim, you can get either hidden exhaust tips for a clean, elegant aesthetic or performance-styled outlets on F-Sport versions for a more aggressive stance. The hands-free power liftgate now opens quicker and operates quieter, making every use feel smoother and more premium. Interior. Once you step inside, the 2026 NX shows what Lexus truly excels at: craftsmanship, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. The cabin immediately feels like a sanctuary. Soft-touch materials wrap every surface, the stitching is precise, and ambient lighting bathes the interior in a warm, customizable glow. Lexus calls the layout its Tizuna cockpit design, focusing on connecting the driver with the vehicle through intuitive placement of controls. The centerpiece is a massive 14-inch touchscreen running the latest Lexus Interface 2.0 software. It's faster, cleaner, and easier to use. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and a voice assistant that actually understands natural speech commands. The fully digital gauge cluster complements the central screen, displaying navigation, hybrid performance data, and driver assistance information with razor-sharp clarity. The seats are plush yet supportive, available with heating, ventilation, and even massage functions depending on the trim. The NX 2026 also improves cabin quietness, using enhanced insulation, thicker acoustic glass, and even active noise cancellation on select models. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, USB-C charging ports, and available climate control zones. Cargo space remains practical, with the flat load floor and additional underfloor compartments. The panoramic sunroof brightens up the entire cabin, enhancing that open, luxurious atmosphere Lexus buyers love. It's a place designed not just to drive, but to unwind. Performance. When it comes to performance, Lexus gives you multiple powertrain options tailored to different lifestyles. The entry-level NX 250 uses a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 203 horsepower and 184 pounds-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's efficient and smooth, perfect for city driving. The NX 350 steps it up with a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder that generates a lively 275 horsepower and 317 pounds-feet of torque, giving it a strong mid-range punch and a refined growl. This version comes standard with all-wheel drive for added traction and stability. For those chasing efficiency, the NX 350 hybrid combines a 2.5-liter engine with electric motors for a total of about 240 horsepower, while delivering fuel economy figures over 40 miles per gallon. But if you want both power and eco-friendly performance, the NX 450 Plus plug-in hybrid is where Lexus truly flexes its innovation. With 304 horsepower and an all-electric range of roughly 40 miles, it can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 5.9 seconds. Charging takes just over 2 hours with a level 2 charger, and transitions between electric and gasoline power are buttery smooth. It's quick, efficient, and whisper quiet, a perfect representation of Lexus engineering. On the road, the NX feels poised and confident. The suspension has been finely tuned for comfort without sacrificing agility, soaking up bumps effortlessly while remaining stable through corners. Steering response is precise and well-weighted, and for those who crave a little more excitement, the F-Sport trim adds adaptive suspension, performance dampers, and sportier steering feedback. Drive modes allow you to toggle between eco, normal, sport, and custom settings, adjusting throttle response and steering feel to match your mood. The result is a compact SUV that feels as refined as it looks, offering one of the most serene rides in its class. Lexus's reputation for safety continues with the 2026 NX, which comes equipped with the latest Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 suite. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, pre-collision braking, traffic sign recognition, and even driver attention monitoring. The AI-based system learns your habits over time, improving its assistance precision the more you drive. It's intelligent, unobtrusive, and always working in the background to keep you safe. As for pricing, the 2026 Lexus NX lineup starts at around $41,000 for the NX 250, about $44,000 for the NX 350, $46,000 for the NX 350 hybrid, and around $59,000 for the NX 450 Plus plug-in hybrid. Given its craftsmanship, technology, and reliability, the NX offers excellent value for anyone looking for luxury without compromise. In the end, the 2026 Lexus NX isn't just a refresh shape, it's a statement. Lexus has refined every corner, every stitch, and every sensor to create an SUV that balances technology and tradition with remarkable precision. It's quiet yet powerful, sophisticated yet fun to drive, and luxurious without being loud about it. This is the kind of vehicle that wins you over not just with looks, but with the way it makes you feel behind the wheel. Thanks for tuning into Trendz TV. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Lexus NX, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest car reviews. Until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and keep your engines revving strong.